Hey everyone, I'm Rick. Welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. Today, I'm excited to share my thoughts on the Segway Navimow H1500N-VF robot lawnmower, a game changer for effortless lawn care. You can find it on Amazon, and I've linked it below for the best pricing. Let's dive into what makes this mower special, its pros, cons, and why I think it's worth your consideration. First off, the Navimow H1500N-VF is designed for yards up to about 4/10 of an acre, and it's packed with cutting-edge features. The standout is its wire-free setup. Unlike traditional robot mowers that need perimeter wires, this one uses RTK GPS and vision technology for precise navigation. You just map your lawn using the Navimow app, which is super intuitive. It's like driving a remote-controlled car with your phone, and my 10-year-old had a blast helping me set it up in about 30 minutes. The app lets you create virtual boundaries, set no-go zones for flower beds or trees, and even manage up to 12 mowing zones with custom schedules and cutting heights. Another big pro is its systematic mowing. The Navimow follows a planned path, ensuring even cuts without missing spots. It adjusts its pattern to avoid wheel tracks, leaving your lawn looking professionally manicured. The VisionFence camera is a lifesaver, detecting obstacles like toys, picnic mats, or even flat objects on the ground. Plus, it's got safety sensors that stop the blades if it bumps into something or gets lifted, making it safe around kids and pets. At 54 decibels, it's whisper quiet so you won't disturb the neighbors. And with an IPX6 waterproof rating, it handles rain and muddy terrains like a champ. The mower's build is rugged, with large, grippy wheels that tackle slopes up to 45%. It's also got anti-theft GPS tracking, so you'll get an alert if it leaves your property. Over-the-air updates keep the software fresh, and the included 4G data for a year is a nice touch for remote control. The cutting height adjusts from 30 to 60 millimeters, or a little over an inch, to 2.5 inches, perfect for maintaining a tidy lawn if you mow every couple of days. Now, let's talk about a few cons, though they're minor in the grand scheme. Setup can take longer than advertised if your yard has complex borders or you struggle with antenna placement. The antenna needs a clear view of the sky, which might mean mounting it on a wall or roof for larger properties. Edge mowing isn't perfect, so you might need a weed eater for tight spots near fences or sidewalks. Also, customer service response times can be slow, sometimes taking a few days, which can be frustrating if you hit a snag. Lastly, it's not ideal for very small or uneven yards with lots of dips, as it might get stuck. Despite these quirks, the Navimow H1500N-VF is a fantastic investment for anyone with a medium to large lawn who wants to ditch manual mowing. Its smart navigation, ease of use, and reliable performance make it a top pick. I wholeheartedly recommend it, and you can grab it at the best price through the Amazon link below, where we've got special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub when using the link. Before you go, check out our other videos for reviews of similar robot mowers and lawn care gadgets. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, please like, share, or subscribe. See you next time.